Today, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube in your car using CarTube, the popular workaround app for Android Auto and some head units. First, you'll need to download CarTube APK. Since it's not available on the Play Store, search CarTube APK 2025 on your phone and install it manually. Once installed, connect your phone to your car via USB or wireless Android Auto. Then open the launcher and you should see CarTube as an option in your car's infotainment menu. Tap it, sign in with your Google account if needed, and you'll get a YouTube interface optimized for the dashboard where you can search, play, and queue videos directly. Keep in mind that performance may vary depending on your car model and Android Auto version, and some regions restrict video playback while driving. So this is intended for parked use only. If CarTube doesn't show up, you may need to enable developer mode in Android Auto settings and allow unknown sources. That's it. You now have YouTube running right inside your car's display. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.